That's what you call a repair, that is, boy. Lovely. Oh, wish I catapulted that, didn't he? They are out there, boy. Could you just do jobs? Now we're trying to repair there, someone's had to do before. Yeah, see what we can do with it. Okay, we're on the garden wall up here. Sort of the little issues you get when you're doing something like this is the existing wall is leaning out there 10mm. So we're somehow got to make that work. All you can do is let your eye be your guide. You know the rest. So that's what we'll do. We've got that little bottom course in, let that go off a bit, and see what we can do. Right, let's have another go. It's just patience or something like this. I'll keep that joint as tight as I can because that'll get bigger as we go up. Alright, get him down a little bit there. So we make ourselves a little style, a little old boaty level. Ah, this is, I don't enjoy this bit. Can we use that as a level? Yeah. Sorry. I just want to use that existing bit of footing there. Just makes my life a little easier. Alright. Use that as a plumber. Get that. And I can't get it this side. So what we'll do is... this is real old school, this is. College style. That's college style, boy. Now we ain't got a lot of bricks, so what we'll do is bust one of these in half. Make sure that ain't moved. Yeah, that has. Look, that roll on them little engine handbrakes. It's the fiddly of the fiddlies. Right, first one up. So we can see. There. Right, got the first 3 course on, and what I found is this so thin here, I'm not about to cut like a dummy joint, so when I point it up I've got something meaty to point, and that'll look a bit better. Bit of work, but I think that'd be better for it. So that's where we're at. Beep 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 beep. Better. What do you do? What do you roam? Got a roam. Booger. Booger. Right, starting to get that little bit in there. Maybe get these next 2 course on. Let me get that bad boy on there. Find the bum, but yeah, we'll sort it. So we've got the wall lean over 10mm, and these bricks are metric and they're imperial. Or they've been laid imperial. That'll probably sound better. I'd say when the wall was originally built, they made a lovely job of it. All the time things get hit, caught, for whatever reason. And there's no strength in the garden wall really. Right, got the creases on. Unfortunately, that whoever took off that came off on bit, so it's all in nicely in line. We've now got to point it up. And next thing we'll do is we'll get the engineering course on the top, and we'll mix up a bit of neat cement and sand and just make that little plinth. So yeah, job's starting to take shape. Get it there. Look. First 2 engineers on. Got the blue engineers on, so I'm now going to point this top section on the top there, let that go off, get that pointed. Then what we'll do, I'll make a little neat 3-1 cement and sand up in a bucket, and we'll flaunch that, and that'll finish that off, which we'll have a little look at in a little while. Right, I'm going to mix up a little bit of cement and sand, 3-1 mix, to make a nice little fillet for our wall. So we'll go through the process of doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them bad boys. And get 1, 2, and then we just put a little bit in for luck. Now the key to this, mixing this up, you've got to mix up really well dry. We won't put no additive. This is just got to be neat cement and sand. Some water ready. A bit more for you. So the key to this, you've got to just mix it dry for as long as you can. So it's all one colour. Then you've got to mix it when you put the water in as well. You already mixed the colour you want. No easy way down it. Right, that's somewhere there. Put a little bit of their water in. Right, just leave it a minute. Let it soak in. That'll do some of the work for you. If that can do the work for you, let it. Is it bubbling away? That's going into the sand. That soak through. We want this mix, we don't want it sloppy. Right, let's see what we can do. Put It's got to be far right time, isn't it? You've got to work harder at this because there's no additive. And you've got to better feel it. It's getting there. Oh, it's just the slightest little bit of water. Right, so we've got no additive on that. So that'll never feel like combo. But you want to better use it, but not be runny. It's making all boy sweat. And because we mixed it dry, look, there's no, you can't see like sand in this one mixed. Right, I think just a little more. Right, I still think I could do another touch. Now what I'll do is, we'll take it we want, then we'll just let it sit in a bucket for a couple of minutes, and we'll just give it another little jig. Let's give it another little turn. Yeah, that's nice. Right, we get a little trowel. Like a little soak. Like them. So now the key is, get a little out, put it on your trowel. Wash it off. Let's see what we can do. So now, what we're looking for so neat's meant to say not go really hard, more weather resistant, frost resistant. So now you can see, look, starting to marry it up. You don't, once this going, you don't get long up before that go bang, go off. So you can't play with it too long. Starting to shape up. Already it's looking 100% better. flaunching. It's already starting to go. Right, I'll just do that one, I'll leave it for a sec. So there you can see, look, we're now making that as one. The repair is nearly complete. It's been destroyed. And we're sort of putting it back together the best we can. And that detail just give it the finish. Right, we'll leave it for a few minutes and we'll touch it up. Okay, let's tidy it up. I tend to just wash the rubbish off the trolley, Tom. That is nearly there. And we'll leave it another minute too, then that'll go rock hard. Clean your troll. Just pick any bits off there. Leave it, don't touch it. Right, again, we'll just leave it now. Another 10 minutes, then I'll be spot on. Spotty dog. Yep. I love that. Take that top joint. Got the green little one anyway, but there we are. Right, let's have a look. So, let's look at the finished article. Yep, I think we're going to be happy with that, considering where we started with. That's what we asked to do.